In this video, I'll show you how to join the Among Us Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on the green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap Join a Server. Inside the invite link box, you're going to type Among Us Gaming. Make sure it's all one word and you spell it exactly like that. Then tap Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Among Us server. Tap Accept Invite. And then press Confirm at the bottom if you get this captcha message. And that's going to load us into the server. First of all, there'll be a server onboarding, and it's going to ask you 3 questions. Your answers will be different to mine, or you can choose to skip them. Next, you need to read and agree to the server rules. And we've now joined the Among Us server. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.